What's up, guys? Today we are camping at Chins Lake, and the it looks like the FJ Cruiser crew just rode up. There's a bunch of them. So this is the upper Chins Lake, and this lake flows down into down there. There's another lake down there. But yeah, I'm about to put the drone up. It is getting dark. Hopefully the drone will capture a good video. But this is everybody. It's Tiffany, Kayla, and then Miles. And because we have a fire ban, we have a propane fire pit right now. What you cooking, Miles?
Oh, we got burgers.
Some good looking burgers. They smell great. They're starving too, man.
Putting in some work over here.
This is Mabel. And that's Axel. But yeah, it's been raining a lot. A storm is rolling through. It looks like this whole area, even down in Thornton, is raining down there too. So it's a big storm. It looks like it's almost done, because the sun is starting to come up over there. And over here you can see the band, I guess you call it. But yeah, so this is a camping trip. Tomorrow about 10, me and Tiffany's gonna leave. We're gonna head to Silverthorne and pick up the lift kit, and then once we get back, me and Miles are gonna head Kingston Peak. So that's a pretty cool trail. It's an alpine, takes you up in the alpine tundra. Yeah, Kingston Peak is actually not far from here. If I had to guess, that might be Kingston Peak right there. Yeah, right here. Might be anyway. I'm not 100% sure. And there's still snow right there up in that mountain. So, all right, I'm gonna get the drone up in the air.
The other day, heard you've been trying to reach me. Good luck with that. I threw my phone into the pool. There's no reason for your feelings. You knew the rules. You better run for your life and sleep with one eye open. How do I feel? I feel fine, knowing that you don't. I'm done with second chances. Ask all you want. I got no new answers. How do I feel? I feel fine. You better run for your life. It's over. It's over. Let's not waste our time. Remember, it's over. We've been through this before, over and over. Let's not waste our time. Remember, it's over. It's over. Doesn't really matter what you say. You're not doing yourself any favor
Good morning, y'all.
by sticking around.
Pretty cold morning. Pretty chilly. There's Evie checking out the neighbors. Yeah, this is how we camped last night. This is how we had to do to make it work. Stack a big old rock down there. But chilly morning, but beautiful. Yeah, right now it's only 7 in the morning. So a lot of guys still sleeping. No, you're good.
He's super friendly.
Evie.
Sorry.
Alright. I'll be back when the other guys wake up and we start cooking. Here we go. Pretty little trout. First trout at Chin's.
Yeah, so me and Miles went fishing on this lake right here, and I caught a trout. Fortunately, so we caught one and I missed two. So we're back at camp now. I'm all packed up, and Miles and Kayla are cooking breakfast.
Slaving away.
Slaving away. So we're eating pancake and sausage. Yum.
Yeah.
Yum. Smells good. Starving.
Yeah, just only caught one fish.
Yeah, we were debating if we should bring it back to camp to cook it, but Miles not a fish eater, so I was like, I feel like cleaning.
There's a lot of work.
Yeah, sure is. Axel, what are they doing? Miles talking about climbing that. It's crazy. I'll follow you up there. What's the drone, Miles? If you're gonna do it.
Should be fun.
Dude, I get like a couple feet from the beginning, I'll be out of breath.
I'd make it to those rock slabs and then I'd start to question why I decided to do it.
Question life decisions. Evie. Yeah, so me and Tiffany's gonna head out in about 30 minutes to go meet the guy at Silverthorne. So we're just gonna eat real quick and head out. But this is a pretty sweet spot to camp. So there's two lakes, this one, and as you guys will see in the drone, there's another lake down there. And then above this hill right here is Loch Lomond is right back there. No, not Loch Lomond. It's Fall River Reservoir is right on the other side, and then I think Loch Lomond is more over here. But yeah, it's a pretty cool area, kind of popular. Our original plan was to camp at Loch Lomond, but Loch Lomond got the trail there got fixed last year, the end of last year, so it's really easy. So like Subarus and stuff can get up there like no issue, and it's fully packed. Miles and Kayla went yesterday to check it out, and they're saying there's like BMW X3 was at the reservoir, so if that tells you anything, it's easy to get there. But yeah, Loch Lomond was packed, so we decided to come here, and luckily we found a spot right at the end. So, hey guys, well, we're gonna eat real quick and we're gonna start hitting out. Yeah, so we made it up to the top of Kingston Peak. We have not been filming because it's raining. Even right now, it's still sprinkling. But that's Loch Lomond Lake. What you call it, Fall River is around this mountain right here, and then Chin's over here. Yeah, we're pretty high up. This is the alpine tundra. There's no grass. I mean, no trees. And it's a rock mound. Those rock mound is kind of a tradition to where people will bring rocks from other places and they'll stack it up here. So this is the collection. I think this trail used to be like a mailman trail or something like that anyway, where they deliver like mails and stuff. This is one of the old passage. Let me get up closer to the mailbox. Yeah, welcome to the rock house at the Loch Lomond Overlook. Out of rock and sign the guest book. Beware of the loon for good luck. Bring a rock from another place.
Oh.
Yeah. Full of stickers. They got some pretty neat rocks here. Like that. Painted rocks. I don't know what that is. It's like a rock inside of a tin can. You rock. Yeah, it's pretty cool. This is our second time here. Me and Tiffany came probably about this time last year. We came with a big group, so we didn't spend too much time out here. There was like 15 of us running this trail. Yeah, pretty place. The great old alpine tundra. Alpine tundra. I need to start pronouncing stuff correctly. Yeah, the air is definitely thin up here. Just walking around, you run out of breath. Yeah, pretty cool place. So I don't know. This is probably not gonna show, but that's a trail that takes you up to Loch Lomond.
What? Baby.
That was where.
Katie and Lance. Hello.
That was where we were planning to camp last night, but it was too packed.
He proposed to her at Lake Lamont.
What the heck?
So
Take a picture of us.
cool. Mabel, not the place, dude.
What are you doing?
He's pulling me.
You say someone signed that and y'all know him?
I know Katie and Lance.
Oh.
That rock right there?
Katie's my good
we went
friend
to high
from high school. And he proposed
In Iowa?
up here.
High school in Iowa?
Yeah.
Huh. Dang, that's a long way from home.
Small way.
I guess that's a song.
Alright. Let's hurry up before one of us gets struck by lightning.
We're up in the Alpines right now. Tu's getting the drone ready, but there's no trees. I really like that little like pond. It's cool. Hey, did you want me to drive and you do the drone? Tu's playing on his games while he's driving. Let's not put that in there.
The home point has been set. Please check it on the map.
Now for Evie check. Oh, how you feel about this, Evie? Yeah, that's how you feel? Okay. Somebody who their car kept dying, so we wanted to stop and see if we could help. And
Miles. This is Miles. He played with girls all day. That's actually what I tell people. It's legit my job. He says I play with girls all day.
oh my god.
Gotcha. You better not.
Okay.
So I think you're a little partial.
He introduces me that way?
This is wild.
You got the interior cleaner?
Yeah, we'll take that out.
Yeah. First got good. Should have taken it, smack it back on.
At least we got a view.
And it's not cold and windy. It's a little chilly, but it's not bad.
Gotcha.
Gotcha. Yeah, we're kind of small YouTubers, so
Oh, that's cool.
yeah.
We're happy to find ourselves on YouTube. No problem. Alright, let's put them back on. I'm just gonna, since I got gloves on, might as well get all this
Gotcha.
over there. Gotcha.
Are there other sound effect options for that?
There is. That's just.
I like it.
I like that one too.
You're supposed to get loose. Oh no, you time that. So you time up the terminal. Yeah. Well, I'm just trying to figure out how the mechanism works.
It's like a split shelf and then it sits on top of itself and like sandwiches.
Oh, I get it. Yep. You can see that one easier because it was loose.
Because at first when he loosened it, I thought it broke too. But seeing it on this side, then it sandwiches themselves on.
They say experience is best confidence builder, right?
Yep.
The more you break stuff, the more you know how to put it back together.
Yeah, and to that note, if any of you guys need anything done in your home, I've worked on many, many homes from 1880s to brand new builds in 2022. So
Wow, you've been in the business for a long time.
Yeah, well, I mean, I've worked on homes for a long time, since I was about 12. I grew up in roofing contracting. I was a hardwood flooring installer for 6 years, but I opened my corporation in 2018. There's the starter.
Nice.
Give it a whack. That's not the starter. It's like a piece of the computer's not popping out. It's called Home Tech Handyman.
Home Tech Handyman. We'll put it on our YouTube channel.
Yeah, the engine computer is not powering up.
Because you're not hearing
The
that.
engine,
enough.
the change line stuff should
So
light
what's
up
that
as
mean?
The computer fires up. It's a bummer too, because I'll be honest with you, this is not even my
Dude's just like going in there with the wife. She's probably like, this is weird.
Hello, sir.
Yo.
And somehow right afterwards, it was out of oil. So
Does he know what the issue is yet?
I don't know. This is what he does all the time to me when I like help him do stuff. I'm like, okay, so now what are we doing? Like he never gives me an
This
update.
is my personal truck. I don't have my company truck already.
It's working.
That's my. This is why we got it started. It's because this crystal we
Can I
found.
get a yeet?
Yay! Good job, babe.
She's filling that.
I know now nothing's happening. Of course.
I take it that's your YouTube channel, V8 Mall Runner?
Yeah, we recently just changed it to Mall Runner.
Oh.
But yeah, follow and subscribe. you guys are probably gonna be on it too for this video. I was telling
It's going to be a lot.
your husband, I was like, yeah, we'll shout out your business, because he was talking about his
Handyman.
construction stuff.
I got the twist on thing. It's really fast. Yeah,
That's why
the
he
vehicle's
can't
new, and I have been doing that. At least
For real.
20 PSI,
He makes me
but I
so
just
mad.
forgot this thing.
It would make me mad.
Y'all wonder why 2 doesn't dress nice? That's
Yeah, I mean,
why.
I don't have bead
I don't buy him nice clothes.
logs here.
Not that bad.
25
Yeah, it's
or
bad. It's gonna get all over his clothes and it won't come out. It's the life of a mechanic.
2 kids making fun of your dirty clothes.
Yes!
This is why.
Because you're a good Samaritan.
Sure.
So we met this gentleman in a 2014 F-150, and he was having an issue with his truck where it was shutting off. Yeah, shutting off randomly. So we pulled over and trying to help him out, trying to figure out what the issue was. What I noticed right away was that when you turn the ignition on, the check engine light and stuff does not come on. And being in this industry, being a mechanic, from my experience, when the engine light is not coming on when you turn the ignition on, is that the engine control module, or some people call it the PCM. But if the check engine light is not coming on, the PCM is not powering up. Therefore, I was checking, the fuses for the PCM, and that truck had 2 fuses for it, and it has a relay. So the fuse, I checked the fuse with the multimeter, and there's connection. And then just for giggles, I pull the fuse out and physically look at it to see. And the fuse checked out good. And then for the relay, I swapped the relay with another relay that is exactly the same, which was for the blower motor. So I swapped the relay, still same thing, it's not powering up. And then check the ground for the engine, for the PCM. And I noticed that one of them was not making good contact. Like, I had to really scrape it with the multimeter for it to get contact. So for giggles, I told Miles to grab his jumper cables, because I don't carry jumper cables, I carry jump box. He grabbed his jumper cables, I connected to the ground, because on the engine, on the PCM, there's a stud that sticks out, and then there's a ground wire that grounds to that stud. And I hooked the jumper cables to that stud, and then ran the jumper cables to the negative terminal on the battery. So you basically you make sure that it gets ground. When I did that, turn the ignition on, the engine light turned on, and then I turned the key over to start it, and the truck fired up. So his issue was a bad ground, and that's where we're at now. I don't have extra wire. Radio down. I don't have extra wires to fix it right now, so we just zip tied the jumper cables on to keep it in place. Just
Miles zip ties.
Yeah, Miles zip ties. But yeah, we use the jumper cables for right now just to get him off the trail, and then once we get to near the bottom, we'll figure something else then. But the most important thing is just to get his truck off the trail. And since we were blocking the trail, and this is the Alpine Tundra, so it's a big no-no for anybody to drive around all that obstacle and stuff. To get on the dirt is a big no-no. So that's the most important thing, was to get him off the trail so other people were not forced to drive around him. But yeah, that's where we're at.
Look at this pretty view. The clouds are literally touching the mountain that we're on. It's so rocky.
What's up, y'all? So this is the next day. We got back last night from the camping and off-roading trip. So I'll show you guys what I bought for the lift kit. So this is it.
This is a I named them wrong in the previous video. The one when I was doing the transmission on this 3rd gen 4Runner. So this is what they call a 5160. So it's a 2-inch shock body. This is monotube with a remote reservoir right here. So with the remote reservoir, the valve is not in the shock anymore. The valve is in the reservoir. Therefore, the shock overall has a little bit more travel, and with the remote reservoir, holds more fluid. On my runner, I'm running the 5100s up front and in the back, and this is a upgrade to what the mall runner has. You know, on the average trail, you're not going to notice the difference with like shock fade or anything. Supposedly, in Monotube, they say there's no shock fade. There is still going to be shock fade. Yeah, when we run really rocky trails, it didn't do it at Kingston Peak, but I noticed it when I run like Hackett and stuff. At near the end, like when we're leaving, there is a little bit of shock fade because I started to bottom out. I started to hit the rear anyway, starts to hit the bump stop. So yeah, my runner does need an upgrade. We'll get to that eventually. It's not priority. And then this is the front. This is a, was it 6160 or 6120? I can't remember, but that's what these are. The front is not remote reservoir, but this is a 2.5 body, meaning it's a bigger body, as you can tell right here. This one is 2-inch. The front is 2.5. So with being 2.5, it holds more fluid also, so it resists shock fade. And so the build sign overall, usually they are about 1 inch, 1 to 1.5 inch longer travel than a stock suspension. But like I mentioned before, the Bilsteins or shocks overall for from the 5th gen is longer than the 3rd gen. So overall, I'm probably gonna get like 3 to 3.5 inch roughly of longer travel over the 3rd gen shocks. So I mean, overall, this is a good upgrade. There will be a lot of difference. So this is the TRD Pro rear coil springs, and those are taller springs also, so that's where I'm getting my lift, because the shock itself does not give you lift. It's the spring. For the front, it has the spring there. For the rear, the spring separate. So the guy, he upgraded to the Ironman 4x4. These are the lower control arm, the rear low control arm for the 5th gen, and that's the pin hard bar. Obviously I'm not going to be using those will just be spares, probably for Miles or something if he ever mess his up. And then this box, that's the stock upper control arm for the 5th gen also. So I mean, I could sell it, but you're not going to get much for them. Yeah, they're really cheap, so you're better off just hanging on to it just in case if you or anybody you know need them. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. This is how Mall Runner looks like after we get back from off-roading. It's not gonna pick up on camera, but usual, really dirty. Yeah, that's how she looks like after off-roading and stuff. So Mall Runner gets a car wash every week, since we go out just about every weekend. But we're trying to think of a name for the 3rd gen. Let me know what you guys think. If you guys have any suggestion. We were thinking about Mall Crawler, so that's Mall Runner. It may be Mall Crawler. Let us know. Let me know. Leave a comment down below in the comment section, and see you guys again next time.
Met your friend the other day. Heard you've been trying to reach me.